As spring begins to bloom, it's the perfect time to refresh your home with festive yet elegant decor inspired by St. Patrick's Day. In today's video, we'll explore easy and stylish decoration ideas that bring the charm of Irish-inspired greenery into your living spaces while keeping everything light, fresh, and beautifully seasonal. Whether you love subtle touches or statement accents, these ideas will help you celebrate the holiday in a tasteful way that blends perfectly with spring decor. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to EMA Decor, like this video, and share your favorite decorating ideas in the comments below. Let's get inspired together and bring a little luck into our homes this season. Fresh greenery, the heart of St. Patrick's Day decor. One of the simplest and most elegant ways to decorate for St. Patrick's Day is by incorporating fresh greenery throughout your home. Green symbolizes luck, nature, and renewal, making it the perfect accent for spring decorating. Place small potted plants, eucalyptus branches, or clover-inspired arrangements on shelves, coffee tables, and window sills. The natural textures create a calm and welcoming atmosphere while adding seasonal charm. By keeping the arrangement simple and natural, your decor will feel fresh rather than overly themed, allowing it to blend beautifully with your existing home style. A charming green entryway welcome. Your entryway sets the tone for the entire home, making it a perfect place to add subtle St. Patrick's Day touches. A wreath made from greenery, moss, or delicate faux clovers can instantly create a festive yet refined look. Pair it with a small wooden bench, a neutral throw pillow with soft green accents, or a decorative lantern. The key is to keep the palette balanced with whites, creams, and natural wood tones so the green elements stand out without overwhelming the space. This simple styling creates a welcoming first impression filled with springtime charm. Elegant table settings with a hint of green. Your dining table can become a beautiful focal point for St. Patrick's Day celebrations. Instead of bold decorations, try an elegant table setting that highlights natural textures and subtle green details. Linen napkins in soft sage tones, ceramic plates, and small glass vases filled with fresh flowers or clover sprigs can create a refined holiday look. Adding gold or brass cutlery can introduce a touch of warmth and sophistication that complements the green palette perfectly. This combination creates a table that feels festive yet timeless and ideal for spring gatherings. Soft textiles for a cozy seasonal refresh. Updating textiles is one of the easiest ways to refresh your home decor for the season. Swap out a few throw pillows or blankets for versions that feature soft green shades, delicate patterns, or botanical designs. These subtle changes instantly introduce the spirit of St. Patrick's Day without requiring a full decor makeover. A light green throw draped over a sofa or armchair can create a cozy atmosphere while tying the room into the seasonal theme. Keeping the textures natural, such as cotton or linen, helps maintain a relaxed and elegant spring aesthetic. Decorating with glass jars and simple DIY accents. For a creative and budget-friendly decorating idea, glass jars can easily be transformed into beautiful St. Patrick's Day accents. Fill clear jars with moss, small faux clovers, or fairy lights to create charming decorative pieces for shelves or side tables. You can also tie a soft green ribbon around the jar for a delicate finishing touch. These DIY decorations are simple yet stylish, and they allow you to bring festive charm into your home without cluttering your space with too many seasonal items. The result is a look that feels handmade, personal, and wonderfully spring-inspired. Natural materials for an organic look. St. Patrick's Day decorations can feel even more elegant when combined with natural materials. Wooden trays, woven baskets, ceramic bowls, and stone accents pair beautifully with green elements and create a balanced, organic aesthetic. Try styling a coffee table with a wooden tray, a small plant, and a candle in soft green glass. This simple arrangement feels sophisticated while still celebrating the seasonal theme. Natural textures also help connect the decor with the refreshing energy of spring, making your home feel calm and inviting. Subtle shamrock accents for festive charm. Shamrocks are one of the most recognizable symbols of St. Patrick's Day, but they can be used in subtle ways that keep your decor elegant. Consider incorporating small shamrock motifs through artwork, decorative pillows, or delicate table accessories. A framed botanical print of clover leaves or a small ceramic shamrock ornament can add festive charm without dominating the room. These little details create a cohesive theme that celebrates the holiday while maintaining a sophisticated and tasteful look throughout your home. Soft lighting to create a warm atmosphere. Lighting plays an important role in creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere during seasonal celebrations. Candles in soft green holders, warm string lights inside glass jars, or lanterns placed around the room can instantly enhance the ambience. The gentle glow of candlelight reflects beautifully against natural materials and greenery, making your decor feel calm and welcoming. Soft lighting also helps highlight the textures and colors of your St. Patrick's Day decorations, creating a relaxing space perfect for enjoying spring evenings at home. Conclusion: celebrate spring with simple elegance. Decorating for St. Patrick's Day doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. With a few thoughtful touches like fresh greenery, natural textures, soft textiles, and subtle shamrock accents, you can create a festive yet elegant space that celebrates both the holiday and the beauty of spring. These simple ideas allow you to bring warmth, charm, and a little bit of luck into your home while keeping your decor timeless and refined. If you enjoyed these decorating ideas, be sure to subscribe to Decor for more home design inspiration, like this video, and share your favorite St. Patrick's Day decoration in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and may your home be filled with beauty, comfort, and a touch of springtime magic.